ka State Executive Committee SEC jongka Voice of the People's Party VP. Kalau manjur ya ka jingterwa jongka State Elections Committee halor ka keteng jong itak ketor bat skem marbo banlong ukartong jongka party na kebanta ka Lok Sabha by elections na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ka party kala shimya kenegarai hadin ka jingye mir jingmurlang jong barok kidekot ka State Executive Committee. Ka parti sejisin kekerpat ya barok kidekot kinong kershan bat kinong song jong kejala bah kinang peteng ban ai kejing kershan bat jinge trilang ke jongki kenang bangin yo ya kejing job badon burom ha kene ke by elections banwan kene ke dai kat kum kejing pelai kubor naga State Executive Committee jong keseng Voice of the People's Party.
Lumai kopa, wan nom nyalam bakla.